our next adventure.
They're gonna get super tall and skinny. I think. Just crazy.
There's something else.
Wow. I want to get out and start climbing these old.
Alright.
Because that's when you'll see the edges.
So down feathers don't make the birds go down.
Steep grade.
And what about migration?
What that?
What about migration?
Why birds migrate?
Why do they migrate? Oh yeah.
Okay, here's our first tunnel.
One lane tunnel.
Get ready.
What is the name of this tunnel?
This tunnel
Here it comes. We're now in one lane.
Why is there?
is the Iron Creek Tunnel, I believe.
Width 8 feet 9 inches. Hey, can we get through here with our wide truck lenses?
Pull in the things.
You want me to?
Yeah, I do.
How cool is this, you guys?
Is
Right?
this natural?
Yes.
Ooh.
What?
Can I park this?
You have plenty of room on my side.
I could stick my arm out and scrape the side.
Good job,
Wow.
GoPro. Hee-hee! That was cool.
Yeah,
Whoa.
Was that cool?
that was amazing.
Is this where you get out and climb the rocks?
Nope. We're getting there. Over there at the top. See how they're different? It's like the rock is up and down.
It used to be in the place, now we're in the
What's on the other side of that? What do you say?
Everyone quiet, I heard a
What's it?
That?
I heard a
It's a rock.
roar.
And this is granite. Oh wow, this is so cool.
Still can't believe we saw not working.
That's good. Don't you think?
Are we going to be able to get to the Lincoln Oracle Visitor Center or Sculpture Studio?
We have to do that.
Yeah, we have to do that to complete the booklet. It's on the very first page.
These are the spires.
Whoa. Are you sure we're not in the Grand Canyon or something?
Pretty amazing.
It's not Colorado. One of them looks like a bear head. It's too cold to be Colorado. I saw a spire that looked a lot like a bear head. Oh.
Look at that, guys.
Where? Oh.
All of it, all around us.
Oh my gosh.
What? What?
This turn in the road.
Why is there a giant person here?
So you can stop and get out and look. What's that say? Mount Rushmore Inspiration.
This inspired Mount Rushmore?
I missed it.
Wow.
That's cool, right?
Is this where we're getting out?
Everyone relax.
I tell my arm off.
Wow. What?
It's like McConnell's Mills, but more severe. Right? How you're driving through these holes and crags and stuff like that. Oh my gosh.
I sense you're not enjoying your time.
Me? No. I don't. That wasn't that. It's just, it's crazy. It's unbelievable. Right?
How tight? It's unbelievable how tight the road
Yes, also that.
is. Another tunnel.
Those are Daddy's favorite.
Why?
Another tunnel.
You want to pull in arms and the
Mirrors.
Okay, this should be the Needle's Eye Tunnel.
Oh wow. These mountains go on miles.
Oh my gosh.
It was sitting.
Okay, this is the Needle's Eye. Can you believe this, you guys?
This gets tight. We're probably gonna need a new key job.
No, it's fine.
We're plenty fine on my
If
side.
you can get that dually through here, you can get this truck through here, but this is ridiculous.
Isn't this so cool, Dad?
Oh my gosh. And is this the one where Mount Rushmore is?
No. Okay, check it. What's wrong? Oops.
Did you see the dirt bikers?
Yeah, I saw him. Good gracious. It's a shame we can't. It's too busy anyway.
What was that noise?
My mirror thing was just stuck in there.
Another tunnel?
Yes.
How many tunnels?
Okay, here's the last tunnel. It's pretty awesome. This is a shorty. Who's beeping? Oh, they're beeping to go through the tunnel, I bet. How'd that guy get down there?
That's the road.
Oh. We're going down there too. Amazing spires.
What?
Just that curve is all. There's another one.
Again, you know what? I wonder if that bus
Goes between the lodge and
Goes
something
between.
else.
Yeah. And like, how would they have gotten it up here? Except that maybe they literally dropped it up there at Sylvan Lake by helicopter. And that's how it gets there. And it just goes between Sylvan Lake and wherever that first thing is, right? Doesn't that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Because there's no way it's getting through that tunnel.
What it looks like on the map right here is just a circle of black.
Because of the road.
The roads had to switch back and forth so many times, you know what I mean? And they didn't decrease the font when they were switching it back and forth. It's literally just a circle of black, out being a circle of black on the map,
Like a dot?
like a dot.